What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this pretty half cut crease with the 3 different lid shades using the Becky G Salvage collection. Salvage collection. Am I pronouncing it right? I don't know. But this collection is beautiful. I love the packaging and this palette is to die for. So I decided to use it and I did half cut crease and I did 3 shimmery lid shades. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I thought I'd do something different. And I also got her lip products, which I'm wearing 2 on my lips mixed together right now, and then also her loose powder highlighters, which I'm wearing right now as well. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching. We're first gonna start off by priming our eyelids. I'm gonna be using my Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC. I actually started using a brush with it. I'm gonna be using my Colourpop flat shader brush. I can get it into all of the areas, you know. I'll blend it out with my hand. I'm blending out with my finger, not my hand. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and take my Luxie 223 with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Translucent Powder, and I'm going to set my primer. I'm also going to go ahead and pat this into my brows. So we're going to go ahead and use the Becky G and Colourpop collaboration, her Salvage collection. We're going to go ahead and use her Salvage collection. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but I got everything in this collection. So we're going to go ahead and take it off the palette. This is such actually really beautiful packaging. I love the black and then the little, the black packaging and then the colors of each flower. It's just really beautiful. It does come with a really nice size mirror and it comes with these shades here. I did use some of the matte shades already. I believe Carmelo and Lola is what I've used in this palette so far. So I haven't touched it since. I think I got it, I purchased it a while ago, like when it first came out. It came the week I was leaving for my trip to LA and I did vlog that, so I will be posting that. So I didn't get to film with it. So I'm going to do that today. Let's rip off this plastic sheet. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M504 and I'm going to be taking the color Lola right here, which is a really pretty orangey color, and I'm going to start my crease. I'm going to start that in the middle and then blend out. I'm kind of like facing the mirror down and I'm looking down so I can see it better. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe R37 and I'm going to be taking the color Carmelo. I'm just going to focus this on the outer corner first and blend in. Taking my Morphe M441 and I'm going to be going in with the color Sangria right here. I'm going to focus this on the outer corners as well. Real pigmented it looks like. Look at my brush. I like dipped it in 2 times. So I'm just going to tap it on the outer corners first, just so most of the colors can kind of lay there, and then I'm going to blend inwards. I go ahead and take my Morphe M504, taking a little bit of Lola and just blend. So using the same M441, I'm going to be taking the color Malbec right here, which is a deeper burgundy shade. I'm going to use that to also build up in the outer corner. In the same process, I'm just going to tap and then start blending inwards. With Lola, go back with my M504 with no additional color yet. I'm just going to blend. Taking a little bit of Lola, I'm going to start blending out the outer corners. Just so there's still a little bit of Lola, as you can see, peeking through. I'm going to be taking my Morphe R39, and I'm going to be taking the color Cafecito right here, this deep brown color. It's like a cool tone brown. And I'm just going to really just make this super dramatic with this shade. Now I'm going to do this off camera, but I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and cut the crease. I did a half cut crease, and what I'm going to do is I wanted to use kind of 3 different of the little shimmer shades that they have and then just blend them together. So I wanted to use Estrella, Celosa, and Patrona. So these 2 colors right here, and then this third one, I'm going to go from light to dark. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. Now I don't know how it's going to work because I do have smaller eyelids, but I did try to like cut the crease out a little bit more, you know. So I hope it fits. And I did go ahead, after I cut my crease, I did go ahead and take Malbec and I blended it out. I go ahead and take my concealer brush from Dose of Colors and take Estrella first. I'm going to go ahead and spritz this with a little bit of my Skindinavia makeup setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and only apply this to my inner corners. So I guess if you have more lid space than I do, then you'll have no problem fitting all 3 of the shades. But because my lids are a little smaller, I'm not going to apply too much, and I can reapply if I want to. Ensure that I can have those 3 shades, you know. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use the same concealer brush from Dose of Colors for all 3 of the shades. I'm going to go ahead and take Celosa. I hope it looks good because I'm a little in too deep right now to go back. It doesn't look that bad so far. Go with my last shade, this really pretty burgundy shimmery shade with a gold shift called Patrona right here. It's so gorgeous. That's pretty. Alright, I'm going to take a small pencil brush. Alright, I'm going to take this Lexi Small Tapered Blending, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out ever so slightly. I don't feel like it looks that bad, so blend out the outer corners. I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe R39 and take Malbec. And just tap it. That's really pretty. I'm actually really happy I did this. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to my complexion, and then I'll be right back. So I have my face makeup on, well, just my foundation, concealer, and powder. I did start on my eyes, so I'm going to let you know what I did. I used my Charlotte Tilbury, what is this called? I always forget. Color Chameleon in Bronze Garnet, and I used this to tight line, and then I used the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner from the Karrueche collection in Rum, and I went ahead and kind of like smudged it out to look more smoky. Mascara I'm using is my Benefit Roller Lash, and I'm wearing the KoKo Lashes Goddess with my House of Lashes eyelash glue. What I do now is I'm going to go ahead and kind of just smoke out my lower lash line even more. I'm going to take my Morphe M432. I'm going to take the color Malbec right here, and I'm going to smoke that on my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Dose of Color shader brush. I'm going to blend it out first before I take another color. So I'm just going to just make it look smoky. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the color Lola, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to blend it out further. Oh my gosh. Always dropping stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Actually, Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest of my face on camera. So I did recently get a new bronzer. This is the NARS Sun. I believe these are the NARS Sun Washed Bronzers. I have the shade Seaside. I've been wanting to try their Sun Washed Bronzers for a long time, so I got the color Seaside. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe M551. Just like a really pretty color. Pack my brush. Just go back and forth. These are like really pressed in there, so you really want to get the product onto your brush. It's just a really pretty bronzer. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe E41. I'm just going to blend out. For contour, I'm going to be using the Balm Cosmetics Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm just going to be using these two contour shades right here that I hit pan on. The brush I'll be using is my Morphe E4 angled brush. Now I'm going to blend out. Head and cut the cheek with my Hourglass powder and Purple Beauty Blender. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and blend this out. I'm going to be taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked palette, and I'm going to be taking these two shades right here using my Morphe E34. I'm just going to take them both, and I'm just going to blend. Now I'm going to go in with the highlighters. I actually launched two loose powder highlighters. One is in Princessa and then Chisme. Right? Did I pronounce it right? Someone let me know. I think I'm going to use Chisme and not Princessa because Princessa is kind of like a cool toned bluish highlighter. It's like very white, you know what I mean, if you can see it. So it looks like that. And then this is Chisme, which is like a light gold. And I've used this before already. But if you've watched my videos before, the Colourpop loose highlighters are a little much for me because they do have a lot of like glitter specks, I feel like, and they just, I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it YOLO. Oh, and this is the Anastasia A23. Actually, this one looks much more finely milled now that I'm using it again. This is literally my second time using it, so I wanted to make a video on this collection. Oh no, I forgot to apply blush. It's okay, I have one and I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna bind my lashes and my real lashes together really quick. This little applicator thing, so you can use your nails, I guess, but I have this little thing from Japanesque. And then I have two blushes. I think I'm going to use this one from KKW Beauty. This is called Destiny. And I'm going to be, it's like a light pink, really subdued. It's going to look nice with this eye look because it's the same shades, or same color family. I'm going to use Dose of Colors Angled Blush brush. I love how like blush just makes everything look so better. So much better. Let's talk English here. Speak English. I just love blush. Like my cheekbones are a little like, they go up higher when I smile, so I feel like I have a lot of cheek fat, so it just looks so much better when I have blush on. Now we're going to set on my brows. This is the Kaja Beauty Brow Blowout in Soft Brunette. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face using Skindinavia setting spray. So I'm back and I curled my hair. So now we're going to go ahead and do the lips. She actually launched 5 lip colors. 5 of them. I have, okay, so this is an Ultra Matte. It's a really pretty color. It's called Floor. And I believe this is the color that she was wearing during her like campaign shoot for this collection. That's a really pretty orangey color. Then I have Mija, which is, oh, that's a really pretty, this is an Ultra Satin Lip and it's a really pretty pink color. Ooh, I might wear this. That's gorgeous. Gretto? I don't know how to pronounce this actually. This is the Ultra Matte Lip. Maybe I'll wear this because it's like in between, I feel like, of Mija and Floor. And then I have Besme. I can't really see that. The same. Besme. I think it's pronounced that way. I don't know. Please correct me if I'm saying it incorrectly. This is a Ultra Matte Lip, which is like a really pretty red. Like a reddish orange color. And the last one, which is another Ultra Satin Lip. This is called Chola, which is a really pretty deep shade. So I think I'm going to wear Secreto. I apologize if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's a really pretty color, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to line my lips with the Lippie pencil in. So I'm going to go ahead and use BFF2. Ultra Matte Lip. It's actually really pretty. I think I'm going to add a little bit of the Mija shade because it's a little bit more like orangey. Alright, so this is actually the end of the look. This is Secreto and Mija combined together with BFF lip liner number 2. It's actually a really pretty combination. I like it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell button so you're notified the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one.